Kabsat! Good morning! Nandito na ako sa car park. Medyo maaga pa ako ng konti kasi first day ko ngayon. So, ito na yung aking last OJT. Finally! And I'm gonna be here for 3 months. And let's see. Ano siya, Kabsat? Para siyang semi-emergency kaya super busy. And I don't know what to expect. And hopefully, maging okay. Kasi talagang kinakabahan ako. Kasi yung last placement ko was community. So, ibang-iba siya dito. But let's see. Okay, Kabsat. I'll see you later in the evening at 8 o'clock. Good morning! Nandito na tayo sa car park. Magkakape muna tayo. Nagbaon ako ng kape. So, medyo maaga pa naman. Good morning, Kabsat. So, ngayon, hindi ako sa ward papasok. Doon ako sa semi-emergency papasok kasi nandun yung assessor ko today. Before kasi, nung nag-join ako dito sa aking OJT, yung ward at saka yung emergency unit, parang iisa lang siya. Ngayon, hinati siya. So, minsan, yung supervisor ko napunta doon sa ward, yung assessor ko naman napunta doon sa may emergency unit. So, depende kung saan sila. Nag-a-adjust ako, syempre. Hi, Kabsat! Alam nyo, naiiyak ako kasi alam nyo ba na today, okay, 10th of June, today is my last day being a student nurse. And I've waited this for long time. And it took me 6 years, Kabsat, para marating to. And today marked the last day of me being a student nurse. At sobrang saya ko, Kabsat. Alam nyo yun, hindi ko lang ma-express, alam nyo, at hindi ko ma-explain kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. But I'm really proud of myself. And thank you, Lord. Kasi, imagine, 6 years, Kabsat, yung inantay ko. 6 years. And, dalawang beses pa ako na-failed sa maths ko. 'Di ba? Way back nung ako ay nag-GCSE pa. And imagine, I couldn't imagine na makakarating ako dito, Kabsat. I mean, worth it. I would say worth it lahat ng sakripisyo ko. Yung sakripisyo ng asawa ko. Alam niyo yun, sobrang sipag niya kasi kinakaya niya yung maraming trabaho, maraming overtime. So, yung Kabsat, papasok na tayo sa trabaho. So, ito nga pala ang aking uniform as a nurse. Painit lang ang tubig. Nag-headman ako kasi may bangs kasi ako eh. Good morning! To go to work. It's already, I only have 5 minutes. You can have that. That's too early. Or they can have banana. No, you can't have that really. It's too sweet. It's too early for that. So, ito nga, Kabsat, naghahanda na ako pagpasok. Ayan, piniprepare ko yung baon ko. Pero itong anak ko, sumasabay din. Ba't kaya ganun, no? Kapag ganitong wala silang pasok, ang aga nilang gumising. Pero pag ganito namang may pasok sila sa school, ang hirap nilang gisingin. But anyway, ayan, lagi siyang ganyan kapag ganitong papasok ako ng maaga. Gigising din yan, siguro mga after 10 minutes, babangon din yan na hanapin niya ako, tas bababa siya. Pag narinig niya yung kaluskos ko sa baba, sigurado yan bababa din siya. At maghahanap ng kung ano-ano, magre-request ng kung ano-ano. At ito nga, gusto niya ng matamis sa umaga. Sabi ko, nako, hindi pwede anak, hindi pwede pag matamis sa umaga. You're gonna be good girl out today. I love you. Go. Mama's getting late. Okay, love you.
I'm going to miss you.
You're going to miss me. Mama is going to miss you as well, Mama. But Mama needs to work. Otherwise, how are we gonna buy your toy? If you want some toys or cards for friends.
Not close for my friend. That's that one.
Oh yeah. Okay.
From where Justina's mom was.
Okay. All right. Have a nice day. Love you.
Can you drop us where Justina's mom where she works?
Where? Jocelyn's mom? Okay, next
Where
time.
she works.
Yeah. Where she works. Yeah. Okay, go. Okay, love you. Make sure you wear socks, huh? Okay, love you. Bye. Be good girl with Dada. I'll see you in the evening. Okay, go.
How would you find the message?
Huh?
How would you find the message?
Yeah, I'll message him.